This is Devlin. He's very shy of the camera. So we're just trying to warm her up. And I already checked her, so I know she's got some sore spots. So I just don't want to. Hi, baby. I know.
Hi, cutie.
How embarrassing. Get picked up. So when I first picked her up the last time, when I picked up the Drammies.
Good girl. It's okay.
The cutest butt ever. So when I tried to extend the legs back, that it causes a little bit of tension in her. She's pulling against me. And then if you can see, there's a little bit of a ridge here. Now she's young, which is on her side, but when you have such a long dog with such short base, they really have some issues in this area with disc problems that then can lead to paralysis, incontinence, as they're not even that old when that tends to happen. So this is a perfect time for her to get some care. So she comes about every 6 months after she tumbles, which is every day.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see how this leg works. How this drumstick works, yeah?
It's okay.
A little bit there. So the left side's a little more hesitant, so.
It's okay.
We don't get a lot of cracks with the animals. I know sometimes they show that online, but I'm not sure it's real. So I'm going to adjust that. Shift over here. Good girl. Yes, I know, I know.
It's okay, Missy. Here you go. It's okay.
What her face do?
Her eyes just. You feel so much better afterwards every time.
You want to hold her head just a little bit. She just a little sore.
It's okay.
I know, I feel that.
It's okay.
I know.
She'll make you feel better.
Yeah, that feels better. Yeah, oh, I know. I know. This is very bottom of her spine.
Reminding you. It's okay, honey. It's okay.
I know. I know. So some areas are real spongy. Let's see how she get a nice bounce. So let's check from back here. Yeah, that back end is still sore, but we're getting pretty good bounce all through here. Good, right there a little bit.
Good girl.
Check the neck. Let's turn this, let's see. And she's like, there's that camera.
It's okay.
Is that a little more sore? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I did hear a tiny little.
Mm-hmm. And then she licked. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So that usually means, that feels good.
Like, thank you.
Yeah. So like when I adjusted Brian earlier. Ready? Yeah. He didn't lick and chew, but. Well, okay, that army works good. That army works pretty good. Let's do another lower one. Because then when they jump up and down, they almost get kind of like a frequent whiplash type injury right at their lower neck, upper back. And now her right scapula.
Well, she doesn't always make it when she jumps, but she full sends anyway.
Good. Good girl.
So good.
How's your toe beans? No. Would you like me to stab? That feel good? Yeah, does that feel good? It's better. Should we check and see how it's working? Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to just check her back end again.
Almost there, Missy.
Almost there.
You're almost there. It's okay. You're so good.
Oh, feel how she can kind of let go. It's still a little bit sore, I can feel, but it's much better. Check this left side. Yes, no hesitancy there. So now let's put her down and we'll see if she gives us a good shake. Shakes off the extra energy. Ta-da!
You gonna shake? You gonna come high?
Come here, Missy.
Sometimes if they don't shake, it means that I'm not done. Okay. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, that feels better. Yeah. Okay. This long body, the little drummies. Good girl. One more.
The fact that you can do that without her crying now is great.
Right. And you know, I'm not using much force, so it's not like I'm. Yeah, and then I can push there and she's not. It's better.
Woohoo!
See, watch her head. She's just bouncing along. That feels much better. Good girl, all done.
Woohoo!
Can you say thank you?
Appreciate it.
Yay! You did so good.
She's like, not without a treat, lady.
We have those for her at home too.
It's okay. You go and have a good nap, do your stretches, have good play, and I'll see you in a couple months, okay? Can you say like and subscribe?